Looking for the best editing tablets to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 7. Huawei Mate Pad Pro 12.2. Minimalist at 13.2 in, while retaining the paper matte finish, well-balanced, probably less expensive than the flagship and ideal for pen and stylus work due to reduced glare. If you're a power user, creator, or editor in need of pro-level tools in a thin package, then you need the Mate Pad Pro 12.22 Paper Matte Edition. Whether you're editing photos, drawing, or watching content anywhere, the 12.2 and 2.8K tandem OLED paper matte display hits 144 Hz for buttery smooth visuals, and the anti-glare coating keeps colors vivid. It can be transformed into a laptop-style setup with the included Glide keyboard, ideal for digital illustration and design work. The Huawei-exclusive Go Paint app changes the game for artists with its realistic brushes, 8K canvases, and more than 500 layers. Artists will love how intuitive it is, similar to drawing by hand, with 12 GB of RAM, 512 GB of storage, and a massive 10,100 mAh battery that can charge to 85% in only 40 minutes. Performance is strong. Enhance your video editing and media viewing experiences with the 8-speaker Huawei sound system. Number 6. OnePlus Pad 3. In essence, the OnePlus Pad 3 Storm Blue is a powerful tablet that gives the impression of being a substitute for a laptop. An enormous 13.2 and 3.4K 4K LCD screen with a fluid 144 Hz refresh rate graces the front of the device, making it ideal for digital art and video editing, as well as binge watching and gaming. Whether you're crunching edits or running 3 apps simultaneously with Open Canvas, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and 12 GB RAM make light work of heavy multitasking. How long does the battery last? Absolutely insane. With a 12,140 mAh battery that lasts all day and 80W SuperVia charging, you can quickly top off your battery when you need it. With an 8-speaker Dolby Atmos setup, the audio is also top-notch, creating a cinematic experience with music and movies. Also, it has a premium aluminum construction that is both lightweight and sturdy, and it is only 5.97mm thick. If you're a student, artist, or just want a stylish, powerful, and portable workstation, the Pad 3 is a great pick. Music, Xiaomi iPad 7 Pro. A sleek AI-powered tablet, the Number 5. Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro. Can juggle work and play. It has a 144 Hz refresh rate and an 11.2 and 3.2K 2K LCD screen, so playing games or editing media is a breeze. Dolby Vision, High Dynamic Range 10, HDR10, and 800 nits of brightness make movies and creative projects pop with vibrant colors and intricate details. Reliable speed for multitasking, editing, or AI-assisted productivity is provided by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 under the hood in conjunction with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Those in the creative industry who value efficiency will love the new HyperOS 2, which comes equipped with cutting-edge AI tools that can produce text, images, and even refine designs from rough sketches. The quad speakers with Dolby Atmos provide powerful immersive sound that is ideal for streaming music, games, or Netflix. And the 8,850 mAh battery pack with 45W fast charging ensures a long battery life. Students, content creators, and anyone else in need of a portable powerhouse will love this slim, sturdy, and fashionable option. Number 4. Apple iPad Air 13 cubic meters. A creative powerhouse in every sense of the word, the 13 inches iPad Air M3 is more than just a tablet. The new M3 chip provides lightning-fast performance, perfect for graphic design, video editing, and other resource-intensive creative tasks. With its 13 inches liquid retina display, P3 wide color, true tone, and 600 nits of brightness, this device is ideal for those who love to edit photos, draw, or simply watch Netflix in gorgeous detail. The Apple Pencil Pro, when used in conjunction with the iPad Pro, creates a top-tier digital sketchbook, storyboard, and document annotator. You can quickly and easily turn it into a portable laptop alternative with the Magic Keyboard, making it ideal for multitasking and productivity. A 12-megapixel center stage front camera ensures crystal clear video calls, and a 12-megapixel rear camera captures stunning 4K footage. The new iPad Air strikes an unprecedented balance between portability, power, and creativity with its Wi-Fi 6E, Touch ID, and all-day battery. Number 3. Microsoft Surface Pro 11. Has full windows, so you can use desktop apps like Photoshop, DaVinci Resolve, and Premiere instead of the mobile versions. It supports pens and the keyboard is removable, so it's versatile. If you're looking for a versatile laptop-tablet hybrid, the Microsoft Surface Pro Copilot Plus PC is a great pick. Think text-to-image generation, real-time translation, and recall to search across your timeline. All powered by the Snapdragon X Plus chip with AI acceleration. It's designed for the new Copilot Plus era. When you consider that it has a battery life of up to 14 hours, you can see why this device is designed for all-day productivity. Whether you're drawing, editing, or streaming, the 13" Pixel Sense Flow display keeps visuals sharp and fluid with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. When you throw in the new Flex keyboard, which can be used either connected or separately, and the Surface Slim Pen, it becomes a formidable combination for artists, designers, and anyone seeking the portability of a laptop and a tablet. Crafted with recycled aluminum for an eco-friendly, high-end, and streamlined look. Bad aspects: if your workflow is compatible, the Surface Pro Copilot Plus is a stylish AI-ready game sharer. But some apps still struggle with ARM compatibility. Music. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab Ultra 10. With its large screen, high refresh rate display, S Pen compatibility, robust Android hardware, and excellent multitasking capabilities, this device is ideal for video editing. When it comes to tablets, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is, well, a powerhouse. Even in bright outdoor conditions, the 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display's glare reduction and vision booster ensure crisp, clear images with vibrant colors and high contrast. With Samsung's largest tablet canvas to date, it's ideal for streaming, gaming, and creative tasks. The game-changing new chipset and Galaxy AI tools are under the hood. Thanks to Note Assist, Transcript Assist, and Circle, you can quickly find answers to your questions and organize your notes. The S Pen's sketch-to-image feature, which allows users to turn their doodles into finished artwork, is sure to be a hit with creatives. On top of that, Samsung DeX has a PC-like mode that you can use to open multiple windows at once and multitask. It has a sturdy construction with armor aluminum and is resistant to water and dust with an IP68 rating. The super-fast charging battery keeps you going all day long. Whether you're on the go for work, art, or play, the Tab S10 Ultra is the tablet for you. Number 1. Apple iPad Pro 13 M4. Superior performance powered by Apple's M4 chip. Top-notch OLED and mini LED screens, particularly in larger models. Accurate color reproduction. Robust ecosystem of apps. Procreate, LumaFusion, Lightroom, etc. Aside from being Apple's most powerful Pro model to date, the 13" iPad Pro with M4 chip is more than just a tablet. Featuring a new M4 chip with up to a 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU, this incredibly thin device offers laptop-class performance and a super portable design, making it ideal for creators and professionals. It runs 4K video editing, demanding design projects, and multiple tasks at once when paired with up to 2 TB of storage. The new Ultra Retina XDR display is absolutely stunning. It features OLED brightness with extreme contrast, vivid P3 color, the silky smoothness of ProOcean 120 Hz, and an option for glare-free precision with nano-extra glass. Ideal for immersive video playback, realistic color editing or gaming, the redesigned Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil Pro take the iPad to the next level, allowing creators to use it as a digital canvas or a complete productivity machine. If you're a serious editor, designer, or worker, and you need a laptop replacement, this Pro with Wi-Fi 6E, Thunderbolt, and an all-day battery is your best bet.